How to replace a lost U.S. passport. If you lose your U.S. passport, you can replace it by following a few important steps, depending on whether you are inside or outside the United States. If you're inside the United States, the first thing you need to do is report your passport as lost or stolen. You can do this online by completing the DS-64 form on the official U.S. State Department website, or you can fill out and mail the DS-64 form along with your replacement application. Reporting it ensures that your old passport is canceled and cannot be used by anyone else. After reporting the loss, you must apply for a replacement passport in person. To do this, fill out Form DS-11, Application for a U.S. Passport, which you can complete online and print or fill out by hand. You'll need to bring proof of your U.S. citizenship, such as a certified birth certificate or a naturalization certificate, and proof of identity, such as a driver's license or government ID, along with a photocopy of that ID, front and back. You must also provide one recent passport photo, 2 by 2 inches, and pay the required fees, $130 for the passport book and a $35 execution acceptance fee for a total of $165. If you need the passport urgently, you can pay an additional $60 for expedited service. You can apply at an official passport acceptance facility, such as a post office or clerk of court, which you can locate using the U.S. State Department's online search tool. If you're outside the United States, you should contact the nearest U.S. Embassy or consulate immediately to report your passport lost or stolen. The embassy will cancel your old passport to protect you from identity theft and guide you through the replacement process. Typically, you will need to complete both the DS-11 and DS-64 forms, provide proof of citizenship and identity if available, submit one passport photo, and pay the applicable fees in local currency or U.S. dollars. If you need to travel urgently, the embassy can issue an emergency limited validity passport, which can later be replaced with a full validity passport once you return to the United States or have more time to complete the process. Important tips. Once your passport is reported lost or stolen, it becomes permanently invalid, even if you find it later. To make replacement easier in the future, keep a photocopy or digital image of your passport's ID page in a safe place. For children under 16, both parents must be present when applying for a replacement passport. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified about the latest videos.